So here's something that you never want to see when you're coming back to your car and it's parked on the street. What we're seeing here is our 2017 Toyota Rav4 has had the rear passenger glass smashed. And so there's glass everywhere, and they obviously took some valuables from the car. So the first thing is you want to make sure that no valuables are in plain sight in your car, and that will kind of lead to this situation never happening. But unfortunately, it happened to us. And so what do we need to do here? We need to file a police report, indicate where it happened, what valuables are missing, and then file a claim with your insurance. Now, sometimes your insurance will have a deductible, right, to fix the glass, right? Might be 500, might be $1,000. So that might be more than the cost of replacing the glass yourself. And so in this video, we're going to talk about how you can replace the glass yourself, where to source the glass, and how to do it as well. All right, so today we're going to be talking about replacing the window glass in a 2017 Toyota Rav4. So what happened was the window was smashed in downtown LA. Someone broke in and stole some things, and we are going to replace this window glass here that we got from eBay. And the total cost for this repair will be around $95. We've already gone ahead and removed the door panel and also the window runs as well too. And so we're going to be putting the glass in and then replacing everything in here. Okay, here's our tempered glass from eBay. As you can see, the attachment just seems to be glued on. The original OEM Toyota one has actually a rubber insert which molds onto here. So the quality here, I'd say, for the attachment is not as good, but the tinting seems to match the OEM tint, and we'll put it on and see how it looks. On the back of the glass, you can see that's the channel here that fits in to the mount right there. Make sure to carefully slide the window attachment onto the window regulator, and then you'll see that the new glass here has been installed. As a final check, make sure that the window rolls up nicely and smoothly. Perfect. Make sure to seal back up your moisture barrier and make sure the cables are routed properly. Then we can get the door panel back on. Last but not least, put the panel back on and good as new. Now if we take a look at the tint, it actually looks pretty good from our eBay special. It matches the OEM tint fairly well.